are going to study something related to, again, which will sharpen our brain. That is NDSC exam. So write the first question, all of you. Can I say first question? Right. Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arvind, be sharp at every time. Be sharp. You have to be very active. Write the first question, all of you. First question. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 27, 27, 16, 16, question mark, 36, 343. 343. Now, what is this question mark? Please, all of you find it. NDSC. NDSC math. Can do it. Solve the answer. Do you want options? I don't think so. You need options. You want options? You can write 25, 87, 120, 125. 25, B 87, C 120, D 125. Please kindly do it. Arey yaar, something you check it, Ray. Mathematics madam taught you, correct? Something is there like squares, cubes and all. Check it now. You'll get the answer. Please. Verify all of you. Atra. Arvind. Dilipan. Not coming answer. Check the answer, Ra.
Sir, 25.
25,
Huh?
25, sir.
25, sir.
25, sir.
You can say.
Sir, Karthikeyan, sir.
Tell me how you can say 25. So you answer
Sir,
here.
there is square, sir.
Yes. See.
This is 36 square, sir.
Observe.
6 square 36, sir.
36, 343. So you may observe here. 4 is 2 square. 27 is 3 cube. Correct or not? Again 16 is what? 16 is
4
what?
square.
4 square.
4 square.
Next
Then
square
five-
after
five
here
square,
cube will
sir.
come.
5 square, sir.
5 square? Wrong. 5 square?
Yes, sir.
3 square. Cube.
5 cube.
Square.
5 cubes, sir.
5 cubes.
Again 6 square. Again 7 cube is coming. So you may observe
125.
it is following
125.
125.
2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 5 cube, 6 square, 7 cube. So 5 cube it is, not 5 square. So observe carefully. 5 into 5 into 5, which is equals to how much? 5 5s are 25. 5 is equals to how much? 125. That is what? Don't go blindly here. It is following increasing, decreasing. Have you followed it? Order? Do you understand here? 27, 16. It is not in order. It is not continuously increasing order. So something is behind here. Square is coming, cube is coming. So again here square is there, here cube is there. 7 cube is how much? 343. Do you know or don't know? No or don't know? 7 cube 343. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to understand. That is what I said, Karthikeyan. Never think about the question mark. First find the series this side and this side. So first you check it. 36 is what? Square. So 343 what? Cube. 16 is what? Square. 27 is what? Cube. Because square of any number, it will never get 27. True or not? Purinjicha Priyala, square of any number will give you what? 27 will come. Square of any number?
No, sir.
No. So here also 3 C's, cube, square. Here also square, cube. So middle, one after one it is following. So cube, square. Next again cube will come, square will come. Again cube is coming. So 5 cube is the correct answer. What is the answer? D is the correct
5
answer.
cube.
5 cube means how much? 125. Clear?
125.
Everybody respond. Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Pranav? Rasini, next question. Let me see who will answer. Very fastly how to answer. I won't give options also because options means you have chances. So if you practice without options, I'm expecting that my children will do more better in exam. That is what my opinion. Some questions only I will give options. Right. Next question. B sharp 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. Question mark. Fast do it. Let me see who will say. Yalni, Re Dilipan, speak Ra Dilipan. What is the answer? Something is fishing. You will find it, you will can understand.
Sir, 95.
95? No. Don't apply same logic.
39.
Arey, wait, Ra. Who said 39?
Padmavashini, sir.
Padmavarshini, you joined? Arey, I'm happy.
Yes,
39. What is your pattern, Padmavarshini? Sharp, Re, Arvind. B, find the logic. Somebody said before some answer. What is that? Then, let me say. Who is that? Speak, yeah. Who said before some answer 90s? Arey, nothing happened.
95, sir.
Who is
Nidinath.
that? Nitinath, correct, Nitinath?
Yes, sir.
Nitinath, by directly you can say your answer is wrong. Have you noticed, Nitinath? Is it this much variation? 28 directly become 95. Have you noticed it? 19 becoming 28. 28 will become 95. Any this much big change?
No, sir.
Now, what is the pattern you followed? That you tell me. How you
Sir,
found?
4 into 3 are 12, sir, and 7 into 4 are 28, sir. So 19 into 5 I did, sir.
Oh, like that. Okay, unmute yourself. Some noise is coming. Now you see. Pattern you have to check it. 4 become 7. 7 become 12. 12 become 19.
Sir, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5.
4 plus B. Don't think about this question mark. Here you check it. How it is becoming. 4 becomes 7. What is the pattern? The only way is addition of 3. Now 7 become 12. How much, Ra?
Plus 5. Plus 5.
Now 12 become 9.
Plus 7.
Addition of 7.
Plus
Now
7.
7 become 28. Addition of?
Then plus
Plus
9.
How much? Addition of how much? Plus 9.
9.
Now, you may observe here, pattern is increasing like this, odd numbers.
Then 11.
Plus 5, plus 7,
Plus 11.
plus 9.
Plus
So
11.
next what will follow? Plus 11. So 29, 28 plus 11, which is equal to how much? 39. That's all. Do you understand, Arvind? Akshaya? Use brain. This will increase our brain speed. That is what I want. You have to be very calculated. Most fastly how to do it out of all your friends and all. That is what I want. Can I give next question? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All of you? Answer.
Yes, sir.
In the question you have to be start thinking about it. 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, 70. Understand, Ra? 54, 70. Dash. Question mark. Carry on.
Sir, 88, sir.
88.
Sir, 88.
Who said?
88.
Who said?
Sir, Pranav, sir.
Pranav, very good, Pranav. What is the pattern you followed, Pranav? How you got this much early? Fastly.
Sir, 10
Sir, from
plus
10
8,
to 18.
sir. 10 plus
See,
8,
that is what
then
you are doing,
18 plus
See,
8,
previous
Sir,
question I said addition. Every time it won't be follow the same pattern. You have to remember. Yes, very good. For this question, okay, it is working out. So now, 10 plus 8. How much it is?
8, sir. Then plus 2. Then 28, sir. Then plus 2, 14 will come. 12 will come, sir. So that 40, sir. Then 14, sir. Plus 2, sir.
Next,
So that 54, sir.
Plus 14. Very good, Pranav. Nice. Next, plus 16. Next, how much we have to add? Plus?
Then 18, sir.
18, sir.
Plus 18
18.
we have to add. So 70 plus 18, which will give you how much? 88. Very good, Pranav. Nice. Arvind, you have it solved. Akshaya, Tarani. Fourth question. Can I give you next question? Check it. All of you. 4, 12, 16. By this time you may get the answer. 4, 12, not 16, 36. 36. 108. Question mark. Fastly. By this time, you should say answer.
Sir, multiplied by 3, sir.
324,
Sir, multiplied by 3, sir. Sir, into 3, sir.
Into
Sir,
3.
324.
Very good. So 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 3s are 108. Now 108 3s are how much, Arvind? Fastly. How much?
324, sir.
324, sir.
324.
324. 324. Do you understand? This is my university ID. My college ID is 3R111 324. This is my university ID. My favorite number. 324. 108 3s are. That's all. What is the answer now?
324.
324, sir.
That's all. Right. Next question. Fifth question correct? Fifth question correct, Ra? Still so many is not all responding. Write the question. 1, 9, 25, 49, question mark, 121. Let me see who will answer first. Pranav? Arvind, what
Sir,
happened, Arvind? Whose brain, Arvind?
Sir, 3
81.
square is 9, sir. Sir, 3
81.
square is 9, sir. Plus is equal to 5 square, sir. Then 7 square.
81.
Very good. So this is 1 square, correct? Next, 3 square. Next, 5 square. Girls,
5 square,
girls, you have to involve in the class. Prasini, you can send in chat if you are unable to speak. Those who are unable to speak, you can send in chat. Tarani, what happened? Your mic is working correct. You can speak correct. 7 square. Next, what will come? 9 square. Next, 11 square. So 9 square. What is the answer? 81. 81 is the answer. Why I am not giving options? If you know options, even much early you can do it. But without options, you practice. Then you can understand what it is. Are somebody call to Kevin Ra? Nitinath, call to Kevin. Okay. Now, can I give next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Full right. All of you remember carefully. The question is sixth question. If Z is equals to 52, how much, Ra? Z is equals to 52 and ACT act is equals to 48. Then BAT is equals to how much? BAT will be equals to how much? I won't give the value also. Equals to. I won't give options. Please carry on. You have to submit. Nitinath, are you calling to that fellow Kevin? If you think, it will be easy. Very simple. This much time, Ra? Use first one, yeah. 52. Z value, how much? Ra? Alphabets. Z value, how much? Z value, how much? Ra?
26 into 2.
That is equals to 26. Now 26 become 52. How? How?
26.
How? Huh?
26 2, sir.
Into 2s are
26.
26 2s are 52. Now check the act. Act equals to how much? Act equals to how much, Ra? A equals to 1 plus C equals to how much? C equals to 3 plus
3
T equals to T20. T20. May I taught you T20. Have you remembered? T20. So T equals to 20. So 20, which is equals to how much totally? 24. Yes or no? So 24 into
Yes,
2,
sir.
which is equals to how much? 48. Same way apply for black. That's all. Do it and tell me fastly.
So 2 plus 1 plus 20 into 2.
23.
What is this? I want answer. But 2 plus 1 plus 20, which is equals to how much? 3 plus 20, which is equals to 20.
46.
23 into 2, which is equals to 46. That's all. You clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nitinath, you leave it. That is the answer. So next. Solution the question? Now, all of you write the question. If a certain language, which question, Ra? Question number how much this is? Question number 7, correct?
Come on, sir.
In a certain language, sorry, if in a certain language if in a certain language, popular, P-O-P-U-L-A-R, popular is coded. Alphabets you have to remember is coded as Q, P, Q, V, M, D, S. Which word would be coded as? Which word would be coded as G, B, N, P, V, T? So this is, I am not even giving
Sir,
up.
F-A-M, N, U.
Tell me fastly, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Write it down.
Yes, sir.
Alphabets, very simple. If you see options within second, you can answer. I know that, but that is why I'm not giving options, because you are not supposed to train in that way. You have to be more practice, then you will get more sharper your brain, so that exam you can easily will solve it. That is what I want. What is the code given? Speak, all of you. What is the code for this popular?
Sir, before letter, after letter is given, sir.
You tell me what is the
P
code I'm
after
asking.
Q,
What is the
O
code I'm
after
asking?
P.
What I said. Whenever the coding question comes like this, you have to write Q, P, Q, V, M, B, S. Correct? So this is what the code they have given. Now we have to write. Already they have given code for which word that we have to find it. Now G, B, N, P, V, T. Here if you observe the pattern, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. So here we
Here
want
minus
word.
1, sir.
We have to go with the what? -1.
Minus-
-1. So please tell me G before word, what is Ra? Fe. B before word, A. F Ra? F. N before word, what?
Famous.
F-A-M,
Huh?
Famous.
P word before, O. U before. V before, U. T before, yes.
that's
What is that
C, no,
word?
sir.
What is that word?
Yes, famous.
Famous. Clear?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
now. Understand Akshaya? Prasini? Yeah, very good. Akshaya already said. Thank you, Akshaya. Tarani, are you understand Tarani?
Sir, understood.
Next question. Let me see who will say first. Arvind, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
But no response. This question you answer. I will see. Write the question. In a certain code. Pranav. Dilip won't answer anyhow. Leave it. In a certain code. Yalini, you also answer. Sikkim is written as THLJJL. THLJJL. Sikkim. Do you understand, Ra? Purnicha? Yes or no? Now.
Yes, sir.
How is training, TRAINING, training written, WRITTEN, training written in that code. Training written in that code, please.
King is written as
Sir, SQ is it?
Wrong. First letter itself wrong. T it is, I am saying T. It is not J.
Yeah, okay,
Not
sir,
J.
sir.
It is because
Not yes,
that
sir.
is what they be careful. T it is. Nitinath, solra Nitinath.
U, sir, U.
Stop everything and tell me.
US,
Stop everything.
USB.
Stop everything. Take 5 seconds. Take 10 seconds. First, tell me pattern I want. Say
Sir,
pattern.
the next letter, sir.
Letter. It is wrong.
+1.
Wrong. Not all +1. Check it. Not all +1, Padmarsini.
Yes, sir, I saw.
That is what. Don't be in a hurry. Because every option starts with a U only. Then what you will do? Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
So tell me, Sikki, what is the code, Ra? Prasini, respond me.
First word is coming at T.
Plus,
Yes,
first
sir.
one is my plus one,
Wait,
sir.
S will become T. Next, I will become H. Next, K will become L. Next, K
L.
become J.
Plus one minus one
L
plus
become,
one.
I become again J. Next,
Sir,
M
plus
become
one
L.
minus one plus one minus one plus one
That
minus one.
is. So, S become T plus 1. I become H minus 1.
Minus 1.
K become L plus 1. K become J minus 1.
Minus
I
1.
become J plus 1.
Plus 1.
Understanding?
Minus-
M become L minus 1. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? Now you write it. Yeah. Akshay already answered. I think Akshay is studying very well nowadays. Really good, Akshay. I'm really happy. You have a lot of improvement. I'm happy. Harini, you are not all answering. What happened, Harini? If I'm not calling means you are not supposed to be silent. You have to answer. Use brain and answer. Now, what is the word I'm asking? Training. Solo, same pattern. T-R-A-I-N-I-N-G, training. So 1 plus T after 1. What will come? U. R before.
U.
R
U.
before. R before.
U,
R
sir.
before.
U S A B B
Ah.
sir.
U, sir.
U S or Q R. Q. Q R S T. Understand, Padmavasini?
B.
B. Very good. I before.
Sir, U, Q,
H, sir.
B, H, O, H.
H.
U, Q, B, H, O, H,
Can
O, F.
O.
O,
H,
M.
O.
O, F.
T after F. Purinjicha, this is the code.
Yes, sir.
Understand, Dilipan?
Yes.
That is. Let me see. Now, number coding I will give you. Which number? Question number, how much this is? 9th, correct? Question number 9. Okay. Let me see. If paint is coded as, write all of you. If paint, all write in capital letters only. I have written small letters. Okay. Paint is coded as 74128. 74128. Purinjichara? And Excel is coded as 93596. Then how would you see why I am giving you without options? Why I am training you without options means more accuracy should be increased. Without options, you have to form the answer. Later, you have to search for the option. That is what I want. So, would you code accept ACCEPT? Let me see who will say faster. 15 seconds. I am giving time for this question. Prasini, I am expecting from Prasini. Harini also. No response at all. Dilipan.
455.
It is wrong. 455. Very good.
Sir, 455,978, sir. Sir, 455,978.
455
Somebody said that.
455,978, sir.
Yes, yes.
455,978.
No sir, no
Very
sir.
good. Arvind, you answered correct, Arvind, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you understood correct? So what is that?
Yes.
What is the process you followed here?
Sir, I have to find us, sir.
Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. So paint, what is the pattern?
Sir, P have 7, sir.
Ah,
A have 4, sir.
okay.
4.
I have 1,
We have
sir.
P has 1, N has 2,
N have 2, sir.
P has 8.
T have
So
8,
here there
sir.
is no pattern. Have you
Yes, sir,
noticed it? Is it any pattern? No pattern. Correct. So some number alphabet they have given.
Letters have the
indicates
numbers,
9.
sir.
Yes.
9,
sir.
X indicates 3.
Three.
C indicates 5.
T has
E
5.
indicates 9. L indicates 6.
9.
That's all.
6.
So now take from this letter. All the word is taken from this only. Like these questions only,
Sir.
exam will come. A indicate what? A
A
indicate
number is 4, sir. A number is 4, sir.
Next, C indicate
C
what?
number is 5.
5.
5, sir.
C indicate 5. Again, C indicate 5 only.
Nine.
Next, D indicate 9.
D number is
C
9, sir.
indicate 7. C indicate
7,
8.
sir.
So answer is
8, sir.
455978. Purinjicha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt? Anybody ask me?
No,
Clear?
no, sir.
Now, Let us go for the question. Right. In a certain language, last question now. 4 minutes we have, so we'll finish this question. Write it. In a certain language, use brain, all of you. Certain language, mystify, M-Y-S-T-I-F-I, mystify is coded. Mystify is coded as NZ. Who left from the meeting? Padmosnya.
No, sir, I'm here only, sir.
Who is left there? Prahasni is there. Sarani also there. Only Dilipan, Dilipan only. Bad boy. Okay, do it. NZTU ZGZ. This is okay. Da? Now, if it is
I find it, sir.
who founded
Sir,
Raj?
M after N, sir.
Oh, wait. Then Y after Z? Understood. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
NEM. Nemesis. How is nemesis in that language? Please. Okay. Tell me. Tarani, Prasini,
MFN.
Sir, M, F.
N.
No, sir, D.
M,
O or N or T.
TJT.
O or N or T.
okay.
OFN.
Sir, how, sir, next letter? They have asked in
Sir,
that
M,
language only,
F.
no, sir.
The MFN.
Adian, I don't want. First, don't come to this stupid thing. We don't want this. You find code of this one, then you can find it. That's all. What is the code?
Sir, MFN FTJT, sir.
What?
MFN FTJT, sir.
Who is Pranav was speaking? Pranav. Tell me, Pranav, what is your answer?
Sir, MFN FTJT, sir.
Wrong, Pranav.
Sir, O or N.
F.
O-R.
Sir, O or N.
Idil, wrong. Nemesis. So first you find my mystify, tell me. MYSTIFI, correct? Now M become what? Nemesis, N.
So OF, N, F.
Z. S become T. T become U. I become Z. F become Z. Y become again Z. So I can say here, you may observe here, yes. Wait. Y and Y become Z. 2 letters repeating. Here also same way you can observe S and S also repeating, E and E also repeating. So every place same code will come. Purinjichara? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now M become N. So what is the code? KMN. So M become N. So like same way here nemesis. N KMN. O, correct? Yes, Ra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 here. So here also plus 1. So plus 1 means O will come. Next.
O,
Y
yes.
becomes Z. Y will become Z. So means again plus 1. So plus 1. Here also F. And here also
F.
I write F directly. Now here tall letter S become T. M become M after.
OFN FTJT.
M after
N,
N
sir.
will come. Understand?
N,
Next.
sir. OFN
Yes, after.
FT.
Yes, T.
T.
T will come. I after. I, J will come.
J,
T again T after, S after T will come. So what is the answer? O F N F T J T.
J.